How to import products from AliExpress to Shopify, quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can import products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up your Shopify store and it will take you to your Shopify admin. Here we have our Shopify admin. And in order to first import products from AliExpress, we will have to connect our app. So for that, I'm going to go to the apps right here and open up my Shopify app store. In our Shopify app store, you're going to search for AliExpress, or you can also search for DSers because DSers provide dropshipping with AliExpress. So here we have DSers AliExpress dropshipping. You're going to select this one. Once you have selected this app, you're going to click on Add App. Click on Install App. And now you have to log into your dsers.com. If you do not have an account, you can go ahead and create one with your email address. It's a free platform. You will be able to create your account for free. Or if you already have an account, you can just log in. I will log into my dsers. Once you log into your account, this is where you can see we have our dsers.com. Once you have logged in through your Shopify, then you can also connect your store really easily. You just need to go to Home and connect your store. Once the store is connected, then you will be able to explore all the products from AliExpress. You can see right here. They will be added right here. Very cheap, high quality products available. And now what I can do is I can just import products really easily with just one click. So you can see once you hover over to a product, it gives you the import option. Click on import and the product will be added to the import list of Shopify. Then this list can be imported to your Shopify really easily and you will be able to get the products from AliExpress using DSers. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.